Hey guys, is Instagram constantly crashing on your phone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to fix it so you can get back to scrolling without any interruptions. Let's dive in. First, completely close Instagram. You can do this by long pressing the Instagram app icon and then tapping Force Stop. Next, long press Instagram again and select App Info. This will take you to the app's settings page. From here, tap Storage and Cache, and then click Clear Cache. After doing this, check if Instagram is working properly. In most cases, this will fix the issue. If it's still crashing, open the Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Go to the Search tab and type in Instagram. If you see an Update button, tap it. This will update Instagram to the latest version. If there's no update, tap Uninstall, and then tap Install to reinstall the app. This ensures you have the latest version and often fixes crashes caused by outdated or corrupted files. And that's it! Your Instagram should now be running smoothly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.